Determination of specific gravity of cement. Normally, specific gravity is defined as the ratio of the weight of a given volume of cement to the weight of an equal volume of water. The specific gravity of cement can increase or decrease depending on the moisture content. The specific gravity of standard Portland cement is 3.15, and any change in this value will have an impact on the mix design. In this video, we will learn how to determine cement's specific gravity. To perform this test, you need equipment and apparatus such as Le Chatelier flask, cement sample, weighing balance, and kerosene. The Le Chatelier flask is made of thin glass with a bulb at the bottom. The capacity of the bulb is nearly 250 milliliters with a diameter of 7.8 centimeters. At 2 centimeters from the zero, there is another bulb of 3.5 centimeters in length and a capacity of 17 milliliters. At 1 centimeter from the bulb, the stem is marked with 18 milliliters and is graded up to 24 milliliters. The portion above the 24 milliliters mark is in the form of a funnel with a diameter of 5 centimeters, and it is covered with a stopper. Here, the kerosene is used to remove the air between the cement particles, as it doesn't react with the cement. Let us now proceed to the procedure for performing a specific gravity test on cement. The flask is made completely dry and liquid and moisture-free. The empty flask is weighted and it is taken as W1. Next, fill the bottle with approximately 50 grams of cement and place the stopper on the flask. This setup is weighted and it is taken as W2. To this setup, kerosene is added to the top of the bottle. 24 millimeters to be precise. The mixture is thoroughly mixed until all air bubbles have been removed. The flask containing kerosene, cement, and a stopper is weighed and taken as W3. The flask is then emptied and filled to the top with kerosene. The arrangement is weighed and taken as W4. Thus, the specific gravity of cement Sg is determined by the formula Sg is equal to W2 minus W1 divided by W2 minus W1 minus W3 minus W4 into 0.79. Here, the value 0.79 gram per cubic centimeter denotes the specific gravity of kerosene. To get an accurate result, the flask should be held at a constant temperature before each reading is taken. In general, the specific gravity of cement lies between 3.1 and 3.19. If the specific gravity of cement is greater than 3.19, it indicates that either the cement was not produced with an adequate fineness, or that it contains more moisture. Thank you for watching.